Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with 2 checks, Edition and TPM. BitLocker requires Windows 10 Pro/Enterprise/Education or a USB key. Once confirmed, make a quick backup of essential files to an external drive or cloud. This prevents data loss if activation fails. Next, sign in with an administrator account and open Settings, then Update and Security. From there, go to Device Encryption or BitLocker Drive Encryption. This is where you start the Enable process. So click Turn On or Manage BitLocker to begin. Now configure how BitLocker protects the drive. Choose an unlock method, TPM only for seamless boots, TPM plus PIN for added security, or USB key if TPM is absent. Once chosen, select encryption scope. Use space only is faster, whole drive protects deleted files too, so pick based on risk. Next, BitLocker asks to save the recovery key. Save to a file, USB, or print it, and make sure to store it off the encrypted device. Without it, you could permanently lose access. Start the encryption and monitor progress. Do not turn off or sleep the PC during this step, because interruption risks corruption. Once finished, reboot to test your chosen unlock method and confirm you can access the drive. Make a note of any BitLocker notifications and check Device Manager for TPM status if something looks off. If you cannot unlock the drive, use the saved recovery key immediately. This is the single most reliable rescue step. Contact IT only after attempting the recovery key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.